Hey guys, what's up guys? Just gonna show you a video of my gaming setup. Sort of, my camera for some reason zooms in like crazy. I don't know how to change it because there's no button to change it. But that's my setup, and there's my cat just like looking at the computer. So yeah, it's a lot. If you look at my previous videos, I showed like the previous gaming setup, which was around here, like not this computer, the same, not this computer, a different one, but which is like a big sort of wooden box, not this table, just a big wooden table, but it wasn't that comfortable. I also got a new chair, which is good. Just set up same TV is a TV / monitor, so but you can still use it as a computer monitor. I'm going to show you what the inside is. A bit dark in here. There we go. The CPU is an AMD FX 6300, stock speed at 3.5 GHz, and turbo is up to 4.1 GHz with 14 megabytes of cache. And I still use a stock cooler because it keeps it, well, you know, I don't really need another one. It's not too loud, and it keeps it below 60 FPS. Specifically, that I also have a case fan here. The case fan is somewhere around here. There it is. I just took it off just for this video, but it has a fan on the side of it, which pushes. It has a fan here, which pushes air in, cold air inside, so it cools the fan as well. Because the fan's an intake sort of method. The CB fan is an intake of air. The RAM is Vengeance 1600 megahertz, 8 gigabytes of it, so 4 on each stick. An ASUS GTX is last gen, but it's still able to play almost any game out there at 1080p resolution, even the latest ones. So it's still me good, and the cooler is really. It still keeps itself cool because it's ASUS, and ASUS always makes amazing graphics cards in my opinion, except for the R928X, which has got a lot of artifacts problems. The motherboard is the ASUS M597LE R2.0. I was a little disappointed when I got this, but it's mostly my fault for not researching enough, because I thought since there's this was a fairly cheap, £50, that's $70 if you live in America. My battery's dying and saying it needs battery. I just connected it now. It has as you can see on the black slot down there, it's got another PCI Express slot, but it's 8x or it's 4x, so if you can see it, the actual interface, there you go, you can see the actual interface is like little two white lines of like the interface is where they actually the graphics card and the motherboard's able to message each other information. That's where it is. Like as you can see, it stops after like halfway. It's just plastic on the right hand side, and the rest is just electrical. So it's like the bandwidth is halved, so there's not as much performance going through. So it's sort of inefficient. It's a little bit of a bottleneck, if you will. The power supply, it's a three-year-old Corsair CX500 watt, just standard, non-modular, because there's no need, because it's bottom-mounted case, so I just took all the unused, the unused cables underneath there out of sight, so I don't really need to get a modular. The hard drive, 1TB HD 7200 RPM, which I have my OS and all my games on, and my 360 gigabyte hard drive, which stores all my videos, and it's fraps, and I've formatted it so there's absolutely nothing but just fraps videos, so that's why. And the case, I can't really zoom out anymore because the charger's not letting me, because you can see here, it's not taking anymore. It's still the same case, but still okay. I'm actually thinking about buying a mini ITX sort of gaming PC, so a really small factor PC. So sort of the same sort of motherboard as this, except it's only got 2 RAM slots. This has got 4, and only one PCI Express slot, and that's practically it for a mini ITX. And everything is really cramped, and it's a lot easier to put everywhere, and it's still just as fast. So yeah, if you there's like a CPU-Z, let it focus, of my FX. Also, let me just open my GPU-Z. Yeah, and that's the graphics card information if you want to see that. You just pause the video and see how it's like. Yep, that's practically it. So yeah, thanks for watching.